Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to a special edition of my Rants and Raves video cast. This one is going to be awesome because we're going to talk about a new product, and I'm going to kind of probably introduce many of you to a company you've heard of, but probably doesn't realize that they've got some killer products for the pro AV market, commercial AV market, UC market. I'm joined with Michael Shaboon, who is the VP of Marketing and Business Development for Insta360. Michael, my first 360 camera was one of yours.
Amazing. We hear that a lot. You know, we
Yeah.
we kind of help define the space in 360. I'm
Yeah.
glad you've been
Yeah.
using them.
I bet so. I mean, it was the coolest thing. The issue back then was how to play it, right? The software and stuff. It was so, you guys were so innovative. You were ahead of the market on sort of how to save it and play it. But now, you're not a consumer company. You're also, doing a lot of B2B stuff. You've been in the commercial AV market for a while. You've been in the UC market and video conferencing and some of the applications. But I would love for you to kind of give a short, give us your elevator pitch and kind of who you are and where you're positioned.
Yeah, sure. So first of all, thank you for having me on the show. It's a huge honor to be on here, and I'm excited to give you guys a little bit more information about the company. So like you mentioned, a lot of people, they know Insta360 because we make the most innovative 360 cameras in the market.
Yeah.
We make easy to use software that makes using those cameras simple for the average person. Whether you have editing skills or no editing skills, anybody can use our products. But what a lot of people don't know is that we actually have a full range of other product lines. And we have single lens action cameras. We have tiny POV cameras that you wear on yourself to get hands-free content. We have professional immersive cameras that shoot 8K and 11K, and they're kind of the VR industry standard and have been for the last 5-6 years. And a couple of years ago, the exciting part is that we branched out into making more enterprise products. So in 2022, we released the most groundbreaking webcam at the time called the Link. And the Link was the first webcam that was powered by AI. It's 4K. It had a 3-axis gimbal that allowed you to track yourself, whether you're moving around the room. It had smart controls that allow you to manipulate the image like you would on a normal high-end camera. You can change things like shutter and ISO and white balance. And I'm actually talking to you on the latest Link camera that we have called the Link 2. And what you probably notice is that it looks like I'm using a DSLR,
Yeah.
but the image in the background is blurred. This isn't through any sort of third-party software. This is all coming directly from the Link 2 camera. So I've added a natural bokeh effect to the background. And this is kind of revolutionized.
Is the Link 2 available now, or is it a brand new product?
Yeah. So the Link 2 was it followed the Link, and we released it late last year.
Okay.
There's actually 2 versions of it. There's the Link 2 and the Link 2C. The Link 2 is on a 2-axis gimbal, so it can still move around and follow you. And the Link 2C is a lower cost version of it. Still the same sensor, still ultra high quality, but it's a stationary camera, but it does a little bit of reframing for you. So if you've seen like what Apple's done with the new iPhones, it can automatically recenter subjects. So our camera was actually the first to market that can do that. So we kind of we combine powerful hardware with innovative software, and we use AI to wrap all of that together to do a lot of the heavy lifting on the back end for you. And so yeah, and that kind of brings me to the next product, the one that I'm here to talk about mostly today. It's called the Insta360 wAVe. It is the first professional conferencing speaker that Insta360 has made, powered by AI, of course. So if you look at all of Insta360's products across the board, whether it's a consumer 360 camera, whether it's a professional camera, it's an AI gimbal, they all have an AI component in it to make the process easier for average people, whether it's helping you to optimize certain settings, doing automatic image processing inside of the camera to make the image come out better, or supporting you with a whole slew of tools on the back end to do a lot of the post processing for you. That's really what we're good at. So we're really excited about this speakerphone because it's kind of the culmination of years of our technology in the making. On the outside, people might see it as, oh, well, this is the first speakerphone you guys have made. But if you look at our camera business, we have a decade of experience
Yeah.
creating high-powered camera technology powered by innovative audio recording. And a year ago, or a little bit less than a year ago, we released our first professional speaker that connects wirelessly with our 360 and other action cameras. So we've now taken our learnings from the consumer space in cameras and audio technology, and we've applied that to a standalone product. And that's what makes our product really special.
And I guess a lot of people would logically connect the wave and link two together to have a full solution.
So you're completely right. We not only do each of the products work independently of each other, but there's a port on the top of the wave that connects directly to the Link 2. So whether you're working from home or in a meeting room, or you're just doing recording of thoughts and notes that you want to get across, or you're podcasting like we are now, live streaming, music playback, all these use cases, they have a need for each standalone tech, but you can also use them in tandem together. So right now I'm using the Link 2 to connect it directly to my computer so I can see you guys and talk to you. But if I was in a conference room setting, I could connect the Link 2 directly to the Wave, and I can connect the Wave to my conference TV, and I can just have a plug and play solution where I don't need any other third-party devices really to manage it. I can do everything in my smart TV if I wanted to. The other really cool benefit of it is, if you're using an ecosystem product, it's less connection points,
Yeah.
it's less cabling and wiring to deal with. It just makes the whole process much smoother, and that's kind of what we're building out now is an ecosystem where all of our products can play well together.
Yeah, and it has just for some tech specs for those that are the AV geeks like me that love this kind of stuff. It has 8 mics. It basically is a 3D array, and it's made to be within 16 feet, which is still a long way away. It uses AI noise reduction. You've got noise cancellation, echo cancellation, automatic gain control, de-reverberation. I mean, you've got all the features in here that any kind of high-end beamforming microphone would have. 360-degree pickup, a cardioid mic, a super cardioid mic, a figure 8 mic, or traditional stereo. So it's, and one of the really cool features that you have, and I don't know how exactly you're doing this, I'd love for you to explain. You're also you have with your ecosystem the ability to transcribe into 99 languages. Explain to me how that works.
Yeah, so this is one of my absolute favorite features, and this just shows the power of what AI can do when it's built into a piece of hardware. So there's built-in storage inside of the speakerphone, and when you're in your meeting, it will automatically take notes, and when it will send you a transcription automatically that you can access in multiple languages. This is all the processing that goes on in the background. So
So this is
the
all on
user
the
is not
edge.
doing exactly. So
Wow.
and what's cool about that is not only can it take notes and transcribe, but there's also a built-in AI chat that will ask specific questions based on the notes that it transcribes. So it becomes kind of like a mini assistant for you.
Okay.
And you know, we're all used to having devices that serve different purposes. But now we're looking at, like, there's speakerphones, there's webcams, there's built-in note takers in your conferencing platforms. How can we reduce the workload for the user and combine as many of those technologies into one single product, so that you're not constantly shuffling around using different softwares to get different benefits from them, right? And the other thing that you mentioned is the 8 speakers, and I think, or the 8 mics.
The microphones. Yeah.
I think this is a really important fact, because when you're in a meeting, you don't want the quality of your audio to suffer. You know, the point of these types of devices is to be a fly on the wall. You want them to function as intended, and you don't want to have your meeting interrupted constantly by technology failures. So having a consistent quality signal and audio is vital to your meeting. It'll make your meetings more efficient. And on top of that, The AI noise reduction that we've built into our other products, like we have a full blown video conferencing bar that we released not too long ago. We've taken the learnings from that and we've scaled it down to something smaller. So there's actually there's 5 pickup patterns that the product has. I won't go into all of them because it's a lot of technical jargon. But the point is no matter what type of a room that you're in, whether it's a circular room or a square room, or if you're sitting at a round table or an L-shaped table, it will adjust to the actual meeting room that you have, and it'll always give you perfect quality audio. So it's not limited to one particular use case.
All right, and this is all this is all brand new stuff, which is pretty cool that we're launching it here on Rants and Raves. You can always see all their stuff at Insta360.com. They've got all the consumer and the professional stuff there. And all the stuff we've talked about are there. And the wave, of course, if you're watching this now, then you know that can be found as well on Insta360.com. Michael, thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Congratulations on both the new product and the expansion of the ecosystem. I totally get where you're coming from there, and congratulations on all the success.
Thank you so much. Yeah, if anybody's interested in learning more, go to insta360.com. We have all the information for you there, and we're excited for you guys to try it out and hear the feedback.
And if you're on the socials watching this right now, just click on the link. It takes you straight to the Wave and the link to product. Thanks for watching. All of our rants and raves can be found at ravepubs.com.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.